Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a great filtration system for your house? I have a Waterdrop 2-stage water filtration system that I just installed on our house, and I love it. Super easy, and it makes such a difference. I was so impressed with how quickly I noticed a difference in the softness of our water, how smooth my skin feels when I get out of the shower. It tastes better, really nice. And I love knowing that having the filtered water will extend the life of our appliances because those are huge investments. Installation on this is not overly complicated if you know anything about plumbing. It comes with a 1-inch female insert, and so you'll need a 1-inch male adapter to fit your pipes. It clearly marks which way is in and which way is out. Make sure you pay attention to that because on my house I kind of had to install it what looked like backwards to make sure it flowed correctly. Another important thing I found out when I was installing it, make sure you use enough Teflon tape. It comes with some. If you have extra around your house, that would be great too. Make sure you use enough and make sure you screw it in securely and straight. Once I got those things done, it doesn't leak and it's performing wonderfully in our house. The filter is also very easy to change out. It comes with a tool so you can loosen it and unscrew it easily and then retighten it. The filter just pops in and out. So if you're looking for an easy way to improve the quality of your water in your house so you know you're getting nice, clean water for your family, I highly recommend this water drop system. But that's just my point of view.